Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, my name is Esther Mofrey. So in today's lesson, I think it's 16 or 17, I'll just update. I want to teach you guys who are following me, Forex beginners, and even if you're advanced, top-down analysis and what really it entails. Top-down analysis is when you look at the chart from higher time frame, starting from monthly, weekly, daily, and then you go to forward to look for entry. And because now the candle close has closed for monthly, it's good time to do top-down analysis because you want to see how your monthly candle close. So it will be a very quick video. I don't want it to be long because I want to be direct. So top-down analysis is when if this chart is 4 hour, you can see it's 4 hours. So you'll change your time here to go to monthly. So let me change and let's go to monthly. So this is Euro JPY. So in top-down analysis, there are two things that you would want. There are three things that we always check on any time frame. And I'll tell you right now. Three things that you need to check anytime you're analyzing your chart. Number one, you want to check the price action. You would want to check the price action of the market. And then the price action, of course, is how the candle formed. So let's get into how the candle formed. So this is how the candle formed. You can see we have a bearish candle, even if it's not bearish engulf, but sellers took control over that market for November. So price action signifies that the sellers are a bit stronger and they are coming in. And because this market has been it was selling, it was buying, and then last month we closed in with a sell. So the other thing that you need to check after you check the price action is the market structure. We can see that this market structure is an uptrend market. So Euro JPY is an upward market. So the market structure is upward, but the price action is sell. Sellers are in control. And then the third thing is the pattern. Which pattern would we have in this case? So for patterns, and mind you, this is a monthly. So Euro JPY, we might have a possible double top. You can see we might have a possible double top. So this is a very clear possible double top or Euro JPY. And then what do we need to have? We need to mark our neckline, and then we need to mark half. Remember guys how we deal with the half? Let's mark the half. So basically this is how you do analysis on monthly. If again you can identify the three things I've told you. The first thing is the price action. The second thing is the market structure. And the third thing is the pattern. So the pattern can be either a channel, the market can be bullish flag, bearish flag, head and shoulder, double tops, double bottoms. In this case, the patterns we have is the double top. And also we can have like a ranging market. This market is on a channel. So if I drag this, you can see that Euro JPY has been on that channel for a very long time. But now the pattern that we have, is a what? A double top. So that being said, so we have a double top. We have marked our areas. So the entry, if at all we want to get, not even the entry, confirmation of this double top, we always use WBB strategy. WBB strategy, for those who don't know, it means wait box break. Is when you put a box and wait for that box to break. So wait box break. So we have a double top. We know the first target, this take profit 1, half, and then take profit 2 neckline. If this candle can close like that in December. So we have to wait for 20 days or 30 days, whichever, but we need to wait for a whole month for this market to close like that so that we can have a WBB. So on monthly, the only thing that we need to do, if at all you don't want to trade this Euro JPY without a monthly confirmation, you don't trade it until that candle closes like that. Let's say you come January 1st and this candle has closed like that. We can now target 1,200 down. But what happens if this candle will still remain in the box? It means this possible double top can be violated and we might not have the possible double top. So don't be in a rush. You have not been given a sell. It's just a way to wait. So monthly, we do not have anything. Again, when you come to weekly, the structure of this market is an uptrend. You can see the market was here, came there, sellers were unable to push down, buyers broke this. So we can see we have BOS, break of structure, on weekly, and the sellers are in a place where we can have a possible double bottom. And this is what it is, guys. You will find that you will have a double top on monthly, you come on weekly, you might have a possible double bottom, and you'll have to work with what is working. So at the end of the day, remember the lesson that I was telling you guys. One candle support, guys. This is what I meant. One candle support has authorized this area to be a support. One red candle has authorized this area to be a support. So this area already is a support zone. So we might have a possible double bottom. So at the end of the day, ask yourself, which one will work? Because you might have a possible double bottom, you might have a possible double top on monthly. But you know, on this chart, weekly happens quicker. So we will know the results every week. We'll be knowing what will happen. So we might have a possible double bottom. You can see the way it's clear. So if this is a possible double bottom, and the reason why I'm doing this video is to understand how we analyze. Don't rely on that what you saw on monthly and start selling. The market can want to do a reversal. So if the market does a reversal, this become our half, that become our half, and this become our neckline. So we have the half there. So we put it color green, and you do the same thing. So this is a possible double bottom. We have a neckline, we have a half. So we need to wait to get the green candle. So remember, on monthly, we are waiting for a WBB red candle to break the box. But weekly, because of that possible double bottom, we need here a green candle, just a green candle. Then that's when we'll ask ourselves, this green candle, is it a bullish engulf? Is it a bearish engulf? So the end of this week, so Euro JPY, it's not good to trade it even next week, because you'll be waiting for that green candle. So let's try and see if daily will have this possible double bottom. So we go now to daily. We are going to daily, and you can see the candle that we had previously last week, the price action was a doji, and now this is the candle that we might have, because today is on a Friday. So let's go to daily and see which pattern do we have. So this is daily. Do we have a possible double bottom? Yes, we still have this double bottom on daily. So what we'll do, we can see if it has touched. It has touched, almost touching. So I'll put it color, let's say black. So you can see the market needs to touch there to have a possible double bottom on daily. So the market needs at least to push a little bit. You can see how now everything is working in together. So already weekly we have a possible double bottom, but daily it has not touched. Yet. So I won't even go to 4 hour, because I don't want a lot of details on 4 hour. 4 hour, I use it for entry. And because I don't really understand, do we have a possible double bottom on daily? Do we even have a green candle? We don't even have a green candle. So what you do, you will stay on daily until you get the first green candle. We are staying on daily time frame until we get the green candle. And that's how we analyze the chart. That's how we analyze that's how we do top-down analysis. Wait on Euro JPY until you get green candle, and maybe it may happen today, because today is still early, it's on a Friday, but wait for that green candle Euro JPY for us to start making decisions. So Euro JPY, we might have a short-term buy and a long-term sell. But anyway, if the market comes and break here, this half, we will buy to the end. We'll buy to the neckline. If they break here, we'll continue buying. Guess what? Monthly candle will not have closed red. It will not have moved out of the box. And that's how you determine if the possible double top was viable. So guys, this is how you analyze the market from top-down analysis. Always go every time frame. Look for that thing that can make you void until you get confirmation. Thank you so much, and I love you. Bye bye.